Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets and appliances. Today, we're diving into the world of home comfort with what we believe is the best infrared portable heater on the market. The Govee electric space heater. Picture this. It's a chilly evening, and you're curled up on the couch with your favorite book or binge-worthy series. What could make this scene even better? The answer: the Govee electric space heater. Now, what sets this heater apart from the rest? Let's break it down. First up, let's talk about efficiency. The Govee electric space heater utilizes advanced PTC ceramic heating technology. This means it can rapidly warm up your space in just 2 seconds. Plus, it's energy efficient, so you can stay cozy without worrying about your electricity bill skyrocketing. But wait, there's more. With its built-in smart thermostat and precise temperature control, you can customize your comfort level to perfection. Whether you prefer a toasty warm environment or just a gentle heat, this heater has you covered. Now, let's talk smart. The Govee electric space heater isn't just your average heater, it's a smart heater. Thanks to its Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, you can control it from anywhere using your smartphone. Imagine being able to turn on the heater before you even step through the door. Talk about convenience. And here's the kicker. It's compatible with Alexa, Google Assistant, and IFTTT, so you can control it with just your voice. Alexa, set the living room temperature to 72 degrees. It's that easy. Now, safety is paramount when it comes to home appliances, especially heaters. That's why the Govee electric space heater comes equipped with tip-over protection and overheating protection, ensuring peace of mind for you and your loved ones. Plus, it's all 1278 tested with an auto shut-off feature after 24 hours of continuous use. Safety first, always. But wait, there's even more versatility packed into this sleek tower design. With 80 degrees oscillation, soft heat mode, timer function, and a 6-foot power cord, you can customize your heating experience to suit any room in your home. Whether it's your cozy bedroom, bustling office, or inviting living room, the Govee electric space heater fits right in, providing warmth and comfort wherever you need it most. RK Price shares, "I bought this space heater for a very specific situation and I am quite pleased with it. It has worked perfectly and I now have a hands-free way to keep the water heater closet warm without going outside in the freezing weather." In conclusion, the Govee electric space heater isn't just a heater, it's a game-changer for home comfort. With its efficient heating, smart features, safety measures, and versatility, it's the best infrared portable heater you can get your hands on. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on products that make life just a little bit cozier. Until next time, stay warm and stay smart.